Good morning there. So, people that does makeup on YouTube, seriously, you guys are amazing, because I struggle just to put this face on and it's not really a face. It is so foggy outside. Like every day now it's just foggy. Like every single day up here is foggy. And that determines my mood. It's like, oh, come on, I need some sun. Yeah, so I was struggling. I was struggling to take my mascara back off because I messed it up. And I'm like, anyways, let's do some. I want to call them shout outs. It's stupid. It's not shout outs. So my last video, which was yesterday, I think it's called Journey Down Memory Lane, something like that. I have to clean my house, so if it looks dirty in the background, because it is, and chances are I'm probably not wearing any pants, because it's just how my life is. Okay. Battery is charged. I was like, what happened? So today's Monday. Kids are home from school, and
kids home from school.
Yeah, you're home from school. Here, take this to the kitchen. And I wanna you can't go down them stairs, Madison. I wanna go to the store to get stuff to make slime. But before I can do that, I need the house to be cleaned up before I can bring other stuff in the house to make mess, if that makes any sense. Like, oh Lord, there's a toddler at the stairs freaking out. What's wrong?
Don't worry about Maddie.
You wanna vlog?
Thank you.
Why is attacking me?
You have to hold it out like this.
So they can
so I can
We're
see.
going to go
You have to look here, okay? Don't look here.
get some glue from the store.
Speak properly.
And then we're going to make glue.
Glue.
No, slime.
Okay. Next person. You wanna vlog, Destiny?
I know, right?
Yeah, that's why I bought conditioner to wash my hair.
Good
conditioner. We're going to the store, Target probably, to go get some glue and things to make slime. I thought it was Walmart. Yeah, let's see, ready? Say hi.
Julian got something to say?
She's so sad because she doesn't know what to do.
You don't have anything to say? No. You wanna vlog?
She just woke up, so she's cranky. So I don't know like this. You have to hold it out lightly at that. Yeah. I'm gonna make slime. I'm gonna make slime. You get this slime. I don't know what to say. No.
So,
she just woke up.
Liza just woke up from a little mini nap. Say hi. Like she just got ready for the day and she's already dirty. I have to do the girls' hair and I have to finish cleaning this house. So
And say hi to Fred.
yeah. So I'll be back.
Hi, guys.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet. Know the reason why.
I have to do the
I'm
girls'
not gonna
hair
hide
first.
it.
Their hair is a mess.
I'm not gonna lie.
You want to do your hair?
I know you can see it. What you got yourself into.
Why?
What you got yourself.
Pick it up. Give her stuff. Give it back.
That's a lot of apps, Mommy.
Give her back her sock. It's her sock. He doesn't have it. Maddie, he doesn't have it. Sissy has it. Maddie, Sissy has it.
Daddy.
Sissy has it.
Daddy.
Come do your hair, girls.
Yep.
Was downstairs clean up? So I'm gonna go do the girls' hair and
Go to the store.
make sure downstairs is clean, and then go to the store. Jordan, wrap up the He's doing it. Okay. All right, come on, let's go, guys. Jackson, come on, get your sister. Let's go. We're gonna go downstairs. Downstairs is next.
I counted the apps on your
Did you guys do all your chores already downstairs? Yes? No? So I have to do the girls' hair. that in itself is just I'm not a fan of hair, so I'm gonna do that. And I haven't had anything to eat yet. I'm just getting in this kitchen all morning, and it's 10:31. I've been upstairs all morning responding to comments because I had to, because you guys were so amazing with your comments. Thank you guys so much for your kind words. There's a fly on my screen door. Why? Is it trapped? Are they trapped? No, that one is real. It's in here. The other one is so big. Look at it. Look how big that thing is.
That's a big fat fly.
That is a big fly. So, I'm gonna do the girls' hair, clean up my kitchen, clean up my living room, my dining room, and get out of here.
Pat your legs.
Our hair is nice and detangled, and I used that detangler thing I showed you I got from the Dollar Tree. No tear. No tear. Works charm all the time, and her hair was so knotted, so knotted. But look at it now, and her curls are so defined. Hey Maddie, you ready to get your hair washed, girl? It's her turn. Ah, this is going to take me at least 30 minutes. Ready to tangle your hair?
No.
What hair? Say what hair? Say what hair?
What hair?
What hair?
What hair? Oh.
Come on, Destiny. Okay, Destiny's hair is all detangled. Destiny has a different hair texture here in the front, and it's always been short, like always. This part of her hair doesn't get longer than here, and it's the same for here. The front of her hair does not get longer than what it is here, and it's a different texture from, say, the middle of her hair, where her hair is like really loose curls. It doesn't get curly like Madison's hair. Let me show you guys. Miss Maddie, come here. I'll give you something to eat. So you see, Madison's hair is a different texture, and her hair gets super curly, and the front of her hair grows like there's no tomorrow.
There's no tomorrow.
This guy here has a different hair texture as well. He doesn't get curls.
Daddy.
At all, whatsoever.
Daddy shaved my hair yesterday.
Yeah. This guy right here, oh, you need to go upstairs. And this guy right here has a whole different hair texture from his sibling. And then this guy over here is Mr. Curly Sue. Like he gets curled for days. So they all have different hair texture. And it's been a struggle to take care of every single Jordan, you need to go upstairs and brush your teeth. Like, if you guys haven't brushed your teeth, go and do that. Destiny, come wash your hair. So it's 11:19, so I've been detangling hair for like 1 hour, almost, not 1 hour, like 45 minutes. Like I told you guys, it's going to take me 30 minutes to do Destiny's hair. I think it took me probably like 20 minutes because that thing that I showed you guys works magic. I don't know what they put in it, but it works. So I usually don't keep it in their hair because I don't even think I read the ingredients, and I just use it to detangle their hair when it's time to wash it. So I'm about to wash their hair and get it styled and get out of here. One down, one to go. So she's done. You're next. What's wrong? You don't want to wash your hair? You're all done. Destiny, can you grab me a towel, please, sweet pea?
This one?
So I had to bathe her because she pooped. No, that's wet. I need a fresh towel for her. Hey, mama. Hey, girl. Hey. 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 Hi. Yeah. See, I just got my hair washed, guys. Yeah, Tato got my hair washed and I'm watching cartoon and I'm trying to focus here. Hey. Look like them little wet rat. Go ahead. Say, wipe me up. Girls' hairs are all done. Maddie, can I see your hair? She made a mess. Let me see your hair. Let me see your hair. All done. So pretty.
I can see myself in this mirror.
Alright, go get dressed. Let me see. You made a mess with your hair. Where's your headband? Where's your headband? Okay. So it's like, what time is it? It's 12:10. So it took me an hour to wash their hair and comb their hair. So about an hour and 45 minutes to do the girls' hair.
5 minutes.
Can you imagine when Maddie gets older and her hair gets thicker? But by then I won't have to do Destiny hair because she'll be in charge of that. I'm gonna go put pants on and get out of here. Okay, outfit of the day for Madison. Oh, you got on your little dress?
Yes.
We need a little jacket.
Yeah.
Yes. I don't know if it's cold outside. Yeah, I love your outfit. I think you're so cute. No? And then big girl.
Dress and some shoes.
And her shoe. So precious. Oh, look at the little detail in the dress. Oh my word.
She keeps on messing up her headband.
Madison. 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 Madison, anyone ever told you you're beautiful, girl? Huh? I am so proud to call those two my little girls. So stinking cute. Anyways, I'm gonna go run to Target and pick up some stuff to make slime with these kids. I promised them, so I have to kind of like make good on my promises. So I don't even know. I don't even know what to get.
Just watch the video and see what you want.
Alright, I'll see you guys in a... Oh! I love that jacket.
Molly has a bigger one size, so we can match.
Yeah, turn around, let me see. Oh, I love it.
Mommy.
That's my jacket?
No, it's yours. No, not yours, it's mine.
You have a jacket too?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
I like jackets too.
Mommy.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Mommy.
Do you like the ornaments? No. No. Let's not touch it. Let's not touch it, please.
Me?
Madison. Alright, come on. Give me your hand.
These are awesome.
Didn't I just say not to touch it? Push the cart. It's pretty. I know. I like it. It's really pretty. What is it? Yeah. It's pretty, baby.
I see a plane.
Yeah. All right, come on. We gotta go.
Joe.
We gotta go.
Big Joe.
Don't ask me how we end up in Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby or Hobby Lobby?
Hobby Lobby. I don't know how we end up here, but we're here.
I think you just said Hobby Lobby.
No, we're supposed to be getting stuff. Oh my gosh, look at all the checker print stuff. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Come here. I think I'm gonna get this.
I'm dying.
But it's 15 bucks.
Wow.
And this is like $8.99 just for
No, you can get that.
the big one.
Mommy.
The gallon. With those?
Oh, clear glue.
What else is needed?
Wait, I don't know.
I don't know.
This is $3.
I don't remember, but
Mommy, clear.
You see the books? Books? You want a book? Yeah? Those are drawing stuff.
Excuse me, Mommy. Mommy, she already put one in the cart.
Go on, Maddie.
Come on, Maddie.
No, that's paint. That's paint. We're back at the dollar store, and evidently the truck is not here. So I guess the guy got out. So I'm gonna go pick up some foam stuff for these kids to make slime. And
we're making fluffy stuff. Fluffy slime.
No, we're making regular slime. So
but no,
see if they have all the stuff that we need to make their
They put colors in there.
Yeah, you can put color in there.
Look at light blue and dark blue.
Thank you.
Light blue.
Yeah. Thanks. So see if they have everything. Yeah, you can get a card. Let's see if they have everything that we need to make this slime and get out of here. Oh, I found these little church ornament thingy. That's only one. I'm gonna get some of these. And then they have this guy. And then I need to find the truck one. Oh, look at these. Oh my gosh. I need to get out of this Dollar Tree. I don't see the truck one. Look how stinking cute these are. Oh my gosh. So, I'm gonna get these two. Okay guys, we're back in the house. And we're about to make slime. So I got this big old thing. Look how big that is.
You may lock it on the car.
No, you don't have to lock it.
Well, you can't eat
so,
empty stomach.
Oh Lord, what is this? Anyways, guys, I think I have way more than enough footage for today's vlog. I think so.
Grab your bowl, guys.
Oh, so I'm gonna do the slime video. I'm editing it right now, and I realized that I was gonna do shout outs, but I never did. So let's keep this shout out really short, and thank you guys for watching and supporting and your really nice comments. I enjoy reading your comments and stuff. So with that said, I'm gonna give a couple shout outs. Probably people that I've never shouted out before. Look, a new friend. Say hi, friend. Hi. Oh, I need to take my hair out, but I just can't be bothered right now. So I'm gonna do a couple shout outs, and I'm gonna go search for those, and I'll be right back. So shout out for the day goes to a hearty slice of mommy life, and she said thank you for sharing. It's really interesting to hear and learn about this. I'm not going to read the whole thing. At the bottom she says she's just curious, and of course you don't have to answer. Do we always see your main personality in your videos, or does another make an appearance? The answer to that question is yes. Majority of the videos that I'm doing here on YouTube is my main personalities. Like I stated before, a personality does not come forth or take over the body unless they feel like Janice can't handle the stress that comes with certain situations. So unless I am in danger or they feel like I need their help, then that's the only time that those personalities will take over. And like I've stated before, I only have 2 other personalities, including myself. So 2 other, and then me. So that's 3 total that I am aware of. So yeah, back to what I was saying. So if a personality is here, more chances it is Janice, which is the same name, it's just different pronunciation. She is more bubbly. I'm not gonna tell you guys which videos are done by who and what, but she's more bubbly, she's more creative, and she's more outgoing, and she will get the kids to do, you know, she will interact more with the kids and stuff like that. And yeah, she just does way too much, okay, in my book. Me, on the other hand, is just, this is what they're having, boom, 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 and I'm done. Her, she just goes on and on and on. It's like editing a video of hers. It's like, it's funny. But anyways, I just wanted to say that, and I just wanted to answer that. And then I'll give one more shout out for the day, and it goes to Life by Jen. And she said, I'm so sorry to hear about what you went through as a child. God bless you. Thank you. And with that, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.